Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the mesmerizing world of virtual reality with the HTC Vive Flow. Let's start with the basics. The HTC Vive Flow is a standalone VR headset. Unlike its predecessors, it doesn't need to be tethered to a PC or console. It's an all-in-one device that offers an immersive VR experience right out of the box. It's incredibly lightweight at just 189 grams, so you'll barely feel it on your face. Plus, the ergonomic design ensures that it fits comfortably, even during longer VR sessions. This makes the Vive Flow perfect for those of you who value comfort and portability. Now let's talk about the visuals. The HTC Vive Flow has dual 1.6-inch AMOLED displays, each offering a resolution of 1600 by 1600 pixels. This means you'll be getting super sharp, high-quality images, making your VR experiences even more immersive and lifelike. The HTC Vive Flow also includes a suite of sensors that provide 6 degrees of freedom tracking. This means that not only can you look around in your VR environment, but you can also physically move around. It's a game changer. One unique feature of the HTC Vive Flow is the use of your smartphone as a controller. Instead of using traditional VR controllers, your phone becomes your magic wand, using its gyroscope and accelerometer to translate your physical movements into the VR world. But what about sound? Well, HTC didn't skimp here either. The Vive Flow features spatial audio with its built-in speakers, which provide an incredibly immersive auditory experience. But if you prefer, you can also connect your own headphones via the 3.5mm jack. Setting up the HTC Vive Flow is a breeze. All you need is the headset itself, your smartphone, and the Vive app. You'll need to pair your phone with the headset, and then you're good to go. The app also provides a library of VR content, so you'll have plenty of experiences to dive into right away. The Vive Flow has a battery life of 2 to 3 hours, depending on how you use it. This may seem a bit short, but considering the size and weight of the headset, it's quite reasonable. Plus, you can easily recharge it using the USB-C port. The Vive Flow also features a pass-through mode, which uses the device's dual front-facing cameras to show you your real-world surroundings without taking off the headset. This adds a level of safety and convenience that's sure to be appreciated. Okay, we've covered the hardware, but what about the software? The HTC Vive Flow runs on the Vive Reality System 2.0, which has a user-friendly interface and a vast library of content. Whether you're into gaming, exploring virtual worlds, watching movies, or even conducting business meetings, there's something for everyone. And with its open-source approach, we can expect the library to keep growing. What makes the HTC Vive Flow unique is its focus on relaxation and wellness. It offers a variety of applications that can help you meditate, relax, and escape from the stress of daily life. You can visit peaceful virtual environments, practice mindfulness, or even do a yoga session. Before the HTC Vive Flow, HTC has been a major player in the VR scene with their groundbreaking Vive and Vive Pro headsets. The Vive Flow represents the company's shift towards a more casual and accessible VR experience, breaking away from the gaming-centric approach of previous models. This shift reflects the changing landscape of VR, expanding beyond just gaming to wider applications in education, work, and wellness. In the market today, there are several other VR headsets like the Oculus Quest 2, Valve Index, and PlayStation VR. When compared to these, the HTC Vive Flow stands out due to its lightweight design and smartphone integration. However, it's important to note that each headset has its strengths. For instance, the Valve Index offers superior tracking with external sensors, while the Oculus Quest 2 has a strong library of games. The Vive Flow shines in its portability and wellness applications, offering a different kind of VR experience. Now let's take a deeper look at some applications that work well with the Vive Flow. For instance, guided meditation VR allows you to relax in a variety of peaceful locations, from tranquil beaches to serene forests. Rec Room, on the other hand, is a social VR platform where you can play games, attend events, and meet new people. Virtual Desktop allows you to use your computer in VR, making it perfect for work or study. These applications demonstrate the versatility of the Vive Flow, accommodating various user needs. Looking ahead, the future of the HTC Vive Flow seems promising. With the headset's unique focus on wellness, we can expect to see more applications designed to promote relaxation and mindfulness. The open-source approach of the Vive Reality System also means that developers can create and share new experiences, further expanding the content library. In terms of hardware, future iterations could improve upon aspects like battery life and tracking. Now you might be wondering about the price tag. The HTC Vive Flow comes at a competitive price point, which makes it a great option for those looking to get into VR without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the HTC Vive Flow offers a combination of portability, comfort, high-quality visuals, and immersive sound, making it a compelling choice for both VR newcomers and veterans. With its smartphone integration, easy setup, and focus on wellness, it's a refreshing take on VR that definitely deserves your attention. The HTC Vive Flow is a testament to how far VR technology has come. It's not just about gaming anymore. VR has become a tool for relaxation, social interaction, and even work. With its unique features and approachable design, the Vive Flow truly represents the next step in VR's evolution. Whether you're a seasoned VR veteran or a curious newcomer, this headset has something to offer. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more VR headset reviews and comparisons. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends and family who are interested in VR technology. We would also really appreciate it if you could tell us what topics you are interested in inside the VR world. Together, let's explore the exciting world of virtual reality. See you in the next one.